For a good long time now, I've been looking for a product that would clean my shower tiles. And I haven't been happy with anything that I've tried. So what I decided to do is come up with a better way to do it. There is this product. Here's a CLR product. It's Mold Mildew and Stain Remover. I've tried stronger things than this, but without luck. So what I decided to do was, I got some of these green scour pads, scrubby pads, and you can see what size they are here. They're just long enough to fit in the sander. Now they're not quite wide enough to cover the whole thing. So if you're down and toward the ground on the shower, you make sure you use this side rather than that side, or you won't be scrubbing too much at the bottom there. Now I didn't make a video of this because the job is done now, and I wasn't really expecting it to work that well. But I was totally amazed. It works better than anything I've ever tried. And maybe I shouldn't even be posting this because there is no video. But I do want to pass it on. It really worked well.